Do you know that the average smartphone user switches between different apps more than 100 times a day? It drains about 51 minutes of your time every week. Now, a lot of us also waste hours just scrolling through useless reels and doing absolutely nothing of value. But hey, that's a topic for another video. The point is, we waste over 44 hours a year just trying to navigate our own device. The current app grid system is eating away your precious time, and within the next 24 months, it is going to start disappearing. Think about what it takes right now to plan a sudden weekend trip from Delhi to Jaipur. First, you open a weather app to check the forecast. Then, you open the IRCTC app to look for train tickets. If the train is full, you close it and open Make My Trip or RedBus to check for AC buses. Then, you switch to WhatsApp to ask your family if a bus works for them. Once they finally agree, you go back to the booking app, proceed to checkout, and then open Google Pay to make the UPI payment. That is 5 or 6 different apps, constant context switching, and 15 minutes of your time just to execute one single task. At the 2026 World Artificial Intelligence Conference in Singapore, the industry unveiled a new generation of smartphones, like the Nubia NaviX Ultra, designed entirely around AI agents rather than traditional apps. On these devices, there are no apps to manually open. So, here is how the new AI-first smartphones will handle the same weekend trip request. You simply press a button and state your intent. I want to travel to Jaipur this Saturday with my family of 4. Book the cheapest AC transport available in the morning and drop the itinerary in the family WhatsApp group. That's it. You don't open IRCTC, you don't open RedBus. The phone's built-in AI agent understands your intent and silently checks the databases in the background, finds the best option, uses your pre-approved UPI mandate to pay, and sends the message. It independently plans and completes every step without needing you to intervene. This is the shift from generative AI, which just talks to you, to agentic AI, which actually does the work for you. And this brings me to the most important point of this video. Think about your parents or older relatives right now. Many of them cannot use their smartphones to their maximum potential. They have to ask you for help to book a train ticket, order food on Zomato, or set up a new account. They are in this position because they missed the transition to app literacy. As our hardware evolves from manual apps to agentic AI, we face the exact same risk. If you do not upskill yourself, you become the new technologically dependent generation like your parents or older relatives. The technology is changing faster than ever. To keep yourself updated with the latest and greatest in this area, keep learning and subscribe to my channel. Here are the 2 videos you want to check out next.